Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a fun, simple, like glam fall look. No cut creases, no double cut creases, nothing like that. I actually did keep it really simple. I actually am capable of doing simple looks, but I just love my cut creases, come on. I love that even though it's very simple to create, it looks very glam. I would actually wear this out in the real world if I was going to like some kind of party, like a fall party. Do people have parties in the fall? If I had to dress up and go to some kind of fall party, I would totally wear this look. Maybe not the glitter because that might be a little bit too much, but this is actually something I would actually wear outside. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and let's begin. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be using the Beaute Quintessential palette, and I am actually keeping it simple today. No cut creases, no half cut creases, no double cut creases, no halo eyes. We are keeping it really simple today. I think I'm capable of that. So the first color I'm going to go into is Nutmeg, that light brown shade, and a tapered blending brush. I'm just going to blend that pretty high up. And below Nutmeg, we're going to go in with that peachy color Clove, just so there's some kind of light pink transition towards the red. Okay, now with the small tapered blending brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Rosewood. It's like this deep berry shade. I'm going to put it on the outer corner and in the crease. I'm just going to keep adding it till it becomes nice and dark. Okay, so now I'm just going to go back in with the shade Clove and the Sigma E36, and I'm going to blend out the edges of that red color. Just the top edges. Okay, I'm just going to add some more Rosewood one last time just to deepen it up. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the shade Berry, and that will be our lid color. So if you don't have hooded eyes, you don't need to do this. All you have to do is pack it on the lid, but since I do have hooded eyes, I'm going to take that berry shade a little bit above my crease so that you can see it while my eyes are open. And since shimmers are pretty hard to blend because they're more for packing on, I'm going to take a denser brush. So this is a pencil brush, and I'm just going to blend that above my crease. I'm kind of dragging it on first before I blend it out. Okay, now I'm going to pack it on the lid with an e.l.f. smudge brush. Yeah, so just I'm dragging it above my crease, and then I'm going to pack it on. Okay, I'm going to deepen out the outer corner one more time with the color Rosewood. And for the brow bone shade, I'm going to go in with the color Jasmine. Okay, now for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go back in with Rosewood and an e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. Oh, I look scary. That might have been a little bit too low, but I'll fix that. I mean, you can stop right there and be some kind of like zombie or vampire for Halloween. Okay, now closer to the lash line, I'm going in with that black shade Neroli and an e.l.f. smudge brush. Oh yeah, now I really look like some kind of dead zombie vampire. Okay, so I'm just gonna put on some lashes, eyeliner, and mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, so for lashes, I used xoBeauty's Primadonna. Okay, so for highlighter, I wanted something golden since it's very fall makeup. So I'm gonna go in with Laura Geller's Gilded Honey. Okay, now so for lip liner, I'm going to go in with Jordana's Cabernet. And for lipstick, I'm going to go in with Colourpop's Mamacita. It's this really beautiful deep burgundy shade. Kind of clinging to dry patches, so you should probably really exfoliate when you use this color. Oh, I love that, it's so deep and vampy. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot my glitter for the inner corner. My bad, my bad. I was looking at my makeup and I was like, okay, something's missing. Okay, so for the glitter, I'm going to go in with Kristell Cosmetics The Thing. This is like the perfect fall glitter shade. My bad, my bad. Yeah, I was like, something looks missing. It's glitter. Okay, so I'm just going to go in with Lit Cosmetics Glitter Glue. Now it's just going to get all over my face probably. Okay, I'm also going to put Gilded Honey on my Cupid's bow. I feel like that's such a pretty Cupid's bow highlighter. Okay, and are we set? I think we're set. Let me just wipe off all that glitter that got on my face. Okay guys, and we are all set. I thought it would be better to tie my hair so that you could see everything more. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, and happy Halloween.